I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to read and understand law books. First, approach a law book by surveying its structure. Look at the table of contents and introduction to grasp the main topics. This initial overview helps you understand the author's goals and the book's scope. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes on this preliminary scan. It sets the stage for deeper engagement with the material, providing a foundational context for your reading. Next, engage in active reading. Don't just passively scan the text. Highlight important definitions, legal principles, and case names. Jot down brief notes or summaries in the margins. This helps reinforce your understanding and makes it easier to recall information later. Aim to summarize each major section in 1 or 2 sentences. Asking yourself questions about the material also promotes critical thinking. Understanding legal arguments is crucial. Break down each argument into its core components: the issue, the rule, the application of the rule to facts, and the conclusion. This method, often called IRAC, helps clarify complex legal reasoning. Pay close attention to how the author uses statutes, cases, and scholarly articles as evidence. Critically assess whether the arguments are persuasive and well supported. Finally, synthesize and review the material. After finishing a chapter, summarize its main points in your own words. Try to connect new information with what you already know, building a comprehensive understanding. Regular review is essential for retention, perhaps 15 minutes daily. This process helps you see the bigger picture and integrate complex legal ideas effectively, ensuring long-term comprehension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.